John, is something wrong?
No, I'm okay. Do you have a toilet here?
Oh, no. I'm so sorry, there is no toilet in this shop.
Okay, where is a toilet?
There is a public toilet close to here.
Yeah. Where? Where is it?
Oh, it's really hard to find it if you don't know where it is.
Hurry, please.
Okay. Okay, go out the door, and take a left.
Okay. Out the door and left. And then?
And walk 50 meters until you at pet fish shop.
Okay. Okay, pet fish shop and then?
And there you see a staircase there. Go down the stair.
Okay. Okay, up the stair and then?
No, 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 not up the stair, down the stair.
Okay, down the stair and then?
And then you'll see a waterfall.
And then?
And then take a right.
Okay, right at the waterfall. And then?
And the toilet is there.
Thank you. Thank you. So out the door and right or left?
Maybe I should draw you a map.
Never mind. I'll find the toilet myself. Hey, good luck. Come in if you get lost. Thank you for watching channel, Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.